Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. Your code works. Now, let's make it shareable. And let's stop arguing about style forever, packaging, and the modern tools that do the boring parts for you. Module 18. Two things. How a project declares what it is in one file, and the tools. Formatters and linters that keep your code clean automatically, so you never waste a second on tabs versus spaces again. Three things. You'll read a pyproject file and know what it declares. You'll auto-format and lint with ruff and black, and you'll see how to build and publish a package for others to install. This is pyproject.toml, the heart of a modern project. It says the name, the version, and the dependencies your project needs. One file, and any tool or any teammate knows exactly what your project is and what it needs to run. Now the tools. Ruff checks your code for problems in a blink. Black reformats it into one consistent style. Run them, and your code is clean and uniform. Every time, no thought required. Most teams run these automatically before every commit. And here's the quiet gift. Style debates, tabs or spaces, single or double quotes. How long a line? They're a total waste of energy. Black just decides. For everyone, the Zen of Python says it best. There should be one obvious way. Let the tools give it to you. Sarah here. And the payoff. The build packages your project into a shareable file. But build sends it out into the world, so anyone can pip install it. From a folder of code to a real installable package in 2 commands. And that's packaging and tooling. You can declare a project, keep it clean automatically, and ship it. Next time, the capstone. We open a real unfamiliar code base and read it without a shred of fear. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.